Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Autowatch Ghost 2 on this really lovely 2020 X5 hybrid. How the system works is, if someone was to obviously clone this key and jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. Let's start the vehicle. So the vehicle's running. As soon as I select a gear, the vehicle shuts down. Okay, so now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, start the vehicle up, go through a standard push sequence, which we're going to change for the customer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators and select a gear. Vehicle stays running. Okay. Also, when the customer wants to take it for a service and he wants to put it into valet mode, this is also very simple. And the way he does it is basically start the vehicle up again. Or let's not start the vehicle. Let's just tap the start button 3 times to get the main ignition on. So 1, 2, 3 quickly. Insert the push sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive our double flash, and then hit the traction control button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 5 flashes. This is now in valet mode. So that means the customer can actually drive the vehicle. Doesn't have to disclose the code. Okay. As you see, I can select a gear. Let's just turn it off now. Let's just start the vehicle, leave it about 10 seconds and we'll start the vehicle again. Let's start the vehicle up, just to confirm it's in valet mode. Vehicle's now in ready mode, hybrid, ready, select a gear, staying running, obviously. When you get the vehicle back, tap the start button 3 times on this BMW, 1, 2, 3 to power up the ignition. Insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash, out of valet mode. So obviously we can start the vehicle. Okay, and select a gear. If I now leave it for 10 seconds and obviously try and start it and select a gear, you'll see that obviously it's shut down again, which means it's protected. So I think it's about 10 seconds now. Let's just start the vehicle. It's gone to ready mode, select a gear, vehicle shuts down. There you go. Really clean, really simple. Also, if you wanted to change the code, this is very simple. And the way you do that is tap the start button 3 times without your foot on the brake. 1, 2, 3. Insert the original code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. Foot to the floor and accelerator. Repeat that code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicators start to flash. When they start to flash, let go. Okay, so I'm actually going to do something simple again. I'm going to use the paddle shifts, but I could alternate it or use anything, but I'm just going to do it just for video purposes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get our confirmation of 3 flashes. And repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes if it's correct from the first code, 4 if it's incorrect. There you go. That's the new code. All right. So give it about 10 seconds. Let's just start the vehicle now. Try the original code that we had initially. 1, 2, 3, 4. No flashes. Start button off, then back on again. And we'll try the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go, double flash, select a gear. Really simple, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Today we've obviously done a dual package where we fitted a S5 as well. My name's Otto. If you need one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478, London Car Alarm Company. Bye-bye.